All right. So I'm not using the whole screen, so I can teach you guys. You see, this is the whole screen right here. Now I'm using like 2/3 of it and doing a display capture so that you guys can see what I'm doing down here. Now I've got different scenes. This is just the same image. That's the whole screen took up with it. And this is a display capture with it. And me, I can do, move me around. I can move the image around. You know what I'm saying? And I have a display capture going on so you guys can see what I'm doing. All right, now when I make this new scene down here, you guys aren't going to see nothing or hear anything. You're just going to have a black screen for a second. The first thing I'm going to do is get the display capture up so you guys can start following my cursor and see what I do. It ain't even going to take me a minute. I'm going to have the audio up. I'm going to have the display capture up first, then the audio, and then but I'm not gonna have the video camera because I already have it in these scenes. I could duplicate the scene, and then take everything out of it, but it wouldn't be the same thing. You can't have your I don't, this is a brand new computer. This is a cheaper laptop that has a touch screen that I plan on upgrading. I don't even have another camera hooked into it right now. I'm just showing you guys real quick. So I'm going to show you how long it takes to make this scene right here that you see. Just this scene right here to make what you see minus me here. Basically, yeah, let's put me underneath of the image. Bring me down. All right, this scene that you see right here, I'm going to show you how quick it can be made. So when I hit the plus button here and go into a new scene, you guys just go see a black screen for a second. So here we go. All right, so there's the audio input capture right there. And you guys can see my cursor and see what I'm doing. All right, now I'm going to add the image in. Go up here and hit the image. Go to browse. Yep. On browse. Let's see. We don't have much here. I think we took a little bit of. No, let's see. Videos. Yeah, we got a little bit of captures. And the picture of this nebula here. Okay. All right. So, in order for you guys to see what I'm doing, I have to put the image up here. You know what I mean? If I bring the image all the way, or make it real big and bring it all the way over top of the display capture, then you can't see what I'm doing anymore. Now, I use OBS to do everything. I don't particularly want to just teach because, when I'm not teaching you like I am teaching people like I am right now, I'm filling up the whole screen and I'm doing all the things that I do and filming my characters and my stop motion and me and everything else. And, but I think it's really important to show you guys just what this will do. If, on my other laptop, everything is hooked up and a couple of webcams and this and that and the other. And the way I use it is with a display capture. See, it won't let you use 2 or 3 or 4 webcams for some reason. This version will let me use 2 webcams, and only on this computer. on that computer I can't do it. But I can do a display capture and then just go into my Windows camera, you know, uh, like right here. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Let's see here. No, I forgot. We're using the camera somewhere, aren't we? Yeah, we've got the camera somewhere. So the camera app won't want to work. But one of the coolest ways to use this is right now I'm going to get rid of my camera out of OBS, and then let's make sure that we don't have it anywhere else. All right, so with this display, let's go here and let's get rid of the image and just have the display capture. And see, now what we could do is go to the actual camera app and just film the, use the use the camera. If I had 4 cameras like this computer here, I got 3 or 4 cameras plugged in. I could flip through the cameras. They're all different angles and different places, and and I can flip through the cameras while screen recording. That's the way to use OBS. You know what I'm saying? So when you see a scene like this, you just got to understand what's there. You could cover up the image like that if you wanted. And that's what you would do. But only when you're teaching. It took me a little while to figure out how to, just how to work all this so I could show you guys how to do it. And this is the coolest program. There are a few programs that you gotta have, and just because they're free, they're the best. The best ones are free because they sell you the hardware to go with it. So the programs you need are OBS, Audacity, Cakewalk, and DaVinci Resolve. And I mean, you can do everything with those programs, man. I'm telling you, with OBS and Audacity, boom, that's some powerful shit. And then I need a little more powerful computer to run DaVinci Resolve, to run it right. I'm pretty sure I can use it now with smooth playback and stuff, but like to render and to do anything good without it crashing, I got to get a more powerful computer. So anyway, I hadn't put up a tutorial video in a little while. I've been had a lot going on, but I've been learning a lot, and I think I'm getting better at showing you guys kind of what is up. And if you keep coming back to this, see, you'll understand more of it every time. You'll understand more. I just keep showing y'all the same thing for a little while till I think y'all have got it. And then I need y'all to just, hit me up with a comment and say, hey man, we got it. We want to learn how to do this, and I'll show you how to do it. Alright, so thanks a lot, and I'll be seeing you on the next one.